When I taste banana, so many times avocado, I changed it because banana is more tastier. Okay? What? I changed. It was gorilla, now I changed.
Chimpanzee.
Chameleon. The answer is... The answer is...
You can ask Papa. Papa, can you tell which is his favorite animal?
Yeah, Johan's favorite. The answer is...
Yes. Tell fast.
Papa was really close. Not Papa.
Mommy.
What did Mommy say?
Chimpanzee.
Okay, not even a little close.
Then?
You? Chameleon. Okay. The answer is...
Yeah.
Yours is almost close because it's 30 grade. 30 grade. Oh, I know that animal can live in lava. It can live in lava. And it can also go in the space without a spacesuit.
Really?
Yup. That's interesting fact. So whenever animals come, he can run in volcano. And he's also really fast.
Okay, tell us that answer.
What?
Which animal is his favorite?
I said 30 grade. 30 grade, right?
Which one?
30 grade.
We don't know that animal.
You
No one
should
knows.
learn. Duh. Search in Google 30 grade. It has like a camera nose or something. I didn't search in Google.
Papa knows that?
Nah. Okay. The second question. I think everybody will answer because my favorite comes. Everybody will answer.
Favorite?
Color. And everybody will answer. Papa will answer. Mommy will. Red.
Red.
Yeah.
Papa?
Everybody will answer. The answer is red because I wear.
And you're not wearing red.
This is red. I wear any dress there is red. I wear it.
Okay. Then.
If
Next
there's
question.
no
Only
red, I'll
only
never
5
wear.
questions for each, huh?
What?
5 questions for each. Okay.
Okay,
Third
this is
question
the second
first.
question. Now the third question.
Okay.
Which is my favorite restaurant? Not restaurant. Supermarket. No, market.
Market?
Yeah.
Supermarket?
Lulu. Not the market. What was it? Not color.
Lulu.
Where the world comes to shop safely. My favorite. Favorite. This what? Car. Car. I know. Whoa. Lamborghini. Okay. Why? Papa, what's the answer? Bugatti. Why everybody picks the fastest car in the world?
Ferrari.
I don't pick
Ferrari.
What?
Ferrari.
No, I pick. I never loved that. I pick the father's car. The first. Ultima? Yeah, Ultima.
Ferrari.
Ferrari. I never loved that.
Never?
Love that.
Okay, which one then?
The answer is Papa. Who said Lamborghini? Oh, nobody said it. I first said Lamborghini. Now you quit it now. So we're gonna do. So the answer belongs to nobody.
Then tell the answer.
Lamborghini, right? No, Lamborghini.
Oh.
It is.
Lamborghini?
Yep. Told you.
No one told.
He told, but he removed that answer and okay. This is my fourth question.
The last question.
No, fourth. Then fifth. Okay. Just after this.
No, this is fifth question. You
No, this is the fourth. Yeah, it's the fourth. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Then okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. The question is, which is my favorite? Okay. The question is, which is my favorite fruit?
I know the
What?
answer.
What? I know. What? Banana. You?
No.
What? Tell me.
His answer is avocado.
Oh my God! Joshua is the correct answer. Banana.
No, you never liked banana.
I love banana.
No, it was
First I loved that avocado, and the second was banana.
No.
So when I taste banana so many times, avocado I changed it because banana is more tastier. Okay, and it's also healthy.
No, I never saw.
And in my GK book, it's like they say, "I really love you so much."
Huh? Where it mentioned?
And also that in my GK book, banana makes us happy.
Really?
Yeah.
But
So-
Joshua always, Joshua's face is like,
No.
Then,
He's very happy every day, right? The last question. Yeah, the last question.
cheater. Okay.
That's not my cheater, it's the
Yeah.
beater.
Okay.
Mommy is the beater.
Fifth question.
The last question is, which is my favorite
Favorite?
which is my favorite person in this family?
Joshua.
Papa?
Joshua.
Joshua? I don't know. Just
Okay, you
think
have to say that.
me.
Yeah.
The answer is Joshua. Joshua. Now
See?
it's
He's happy.
mommy's turn. Now
No,
mommy's
Joshua's turn.
Oh, Joshua yesterday told, right?
No, he can say now.
Oh. Okay. Choose my favorite. Favorite. Car. Lamborghini. Please be Bugatti because he loves Bugatti.
No, I told it's Bugatti.
Oh yeah. It's Lamborghini.
Yeah, it's Lamborghini. I also changed.
Range Rover.
The answer is Lamborghini, right? Lamborghini.
Really?
Really? Yeah! Oh yeah! I'll
Okay,
charge ya.
next question.
I'll charge ya.
Next question.
Second question, which is my favorite animal. My favorite animal is chimpanzee, the most intelligent animal in the world.
Yeah, it's chimpanzee.
I know he don't like chimpanzee.
Gorilla.
I think it's what's that? We have so many favorite animals. Chameleon, I think.
Then Joshua's
Mommy,
chimpanzee.
not cheating.
Yeah.
That is not cheating. He yesterday told.
No.
Favorite fruit. No, which is my favorite animal? No, which is my favorite bird? Oh, this is a hard one. This is a hard one.
Falcon.
Not falcon. Yesterday he told.
Then?
And here it was not falcon.
Then?
Bee hummingbird because yesterday we told.
Yeah, bee humming.
No!
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Your turn. Papa, bird. His favorite bird.
Who's?
Joshua's.
The bee hummingbird is the only difference that it's smaller than hummingbird. But it's same, but it's smaller is bee hummingbird.
അതല്ല പറഞ്ഞത്.
Then,
Guys, he picked bee hummingbird. Yeah, Papa's turn.
Bee hummingbird അല്ല ഇതിനകം പറഞ്ഞത്. വേറെ ഒരു bird ആ.
Yeah, he said bee hummingbird.
tell
Duh.
fast.
Duh.
I don't know.
Okay.
Just a hummingbird.
Falcon.
Tell fast.
Yesterday he said falcon.
Something. They have some adjustments.
He is telling me to say the answer, but I'm not.
No, I didn't hear it.
Then what is the answer?
Falcon.
Then tell the answer. Huh?
I didn't say my answer.
You told it's bee hummingbird.
No, I want to change.
Then tell the answer fast.
I want to tell the answer.
The camera is bad.
Eagle. Eagle.
Okay.
Caw.
Then kaka. Okay, your answer is kaka.
Yeah, no. Eagle.
Then tell Joshua.
Your answer is bee hummingbird, right? No, eagle.
Tell the answer, Joshua, first.
The answer is parachute.
Which one? Bee hummingbird is the answer. Okay, I got it.
No, you said falcon.
No.
Yeah. Falcon.
No.
First you said bee hummingbird. First
So you changed. No, that I cannot
First you said
change.
falcon, then bee hummingbird, then you said falcon. Yeah.
No,
Take
I
it.
didn't
No.
tell.
And you also said eagle. Yeah, only one change, but mommy did 3 changes.
No, I
Duh.
never changed after. No.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did.
What? Are you crazy? Okay, I changed and my answer is wrong, okay? You happy?
Here, the 4th question, Joshua. Bee hummingbird. Favorite land transport. Oh,
It's
no, favorite color. Oh,
It's red.
Blue.
Blue, Papa. Mommy.
no.
Now nobody can copy each other. Yellow. Mommy can. Because banana's
No,
color
okay,
is
my
yellow.
answer is red.
Mommy can. Color is yellow. Mommy
Mine-
said red, right?
Okay, I'm red.
Mommy red.
Great.
Papa. No, I'm red. Papa blue, right?
Okay, the answer is
Blue. No!
അല്ല അവന് പണ്ടേ ബ്ലൂ ഇഷ്ടം.
Because it's the
it's
king
not
of the
Pandey.
colors.
Pandey, he likes red only.
No, Pandey I
No,
like
no.
orange and yellow and red.
Yes, red is there too.
Okay, the 4th question.
No, your question's finished, no?
No, it's 4th question. Duh. Yeah, dude.
Yes.
Which is my
Sorry, how many
favorite
questions
food? Favorite food.
Your favorite food is
K-Pan.
French fries.
French fries.
French fries, yeah, because you French fries. Yeah. I said not junk food. I said healthy food.
Oh.
Nothing.
Yeah, you're not having any healthy food,
No,
right?
like fruits.
Banana.
Mango.
It's banana. Tell.
I want to change. I can. Oh, banana, then was mango, then was apple. He knows it. 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 I almost forgot. The answer is tiny orange. Yeah! Yeah! Now the last question.
Last question, fast.
Which is my favorite? Come on! Just tell. Easy question. Favorite person from this family. Person from the family. Favorite person from this family.
Jahan.
Me.
Papa.
What? Seriously?
മാസ്ക്
The answer
വെക്കുന്നത്
is Papa.
ആൻസർ
No! You don't love me? No I love you second. No more for you. No more. No. No more. Okay? Yeah,
Joshua?
No more.
Joshua?
You're not lying to anything. I'm not playing. I'm not playing anything to you. Okay? Nothing. Okay.
Joshua,
Yeah.
it's the answer, right?
Papa.
Papa is the answer, right?
Yeah. Now don't more play with me
No
again.
change, no? Jono?
Yeah, I'll not play with him anymore.
Yeah.
No.
Four.
Nobody is correct.
Then?
It was who?
No, Chichi.
Everyone.
Everyone?
Second no change.
Second no, Chichi.
അങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ തിരിച്ചെത്തി.
We want our legend.
നമ്മുടെ പാർക്കിങ്ങിലോട്ട് കയറിയാണ്.
We must.